Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lint filter duct cover in an LG dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lint filter duct cover. The lint filter duct cover is located at the top of the lint filter housing. The duct cover acts as a spring-loaded door that closes the lint housing when the filter is out, preventing foreign objects from falling in. The most common reason to replace the lint filter duct cover is if one of the side hinges break off and the cover won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the lint filter, we need to put the fingers here at the back. There's a groove and pull it straight up. Next, we need to remove 4 Phillips screws. I'm going to start with this one, right in there. And there's a couple of more screws here in the middle. Now I'm going to remove the lint screen housing. Pull it out. And we can slide this out. This is our sensors. Push it down, and I'm gonna put it away. Let's place this housing assembly on a workable surface on a table. And now I'm going to take out this 2 screws. And push them out. All right, let's put them aside. Next thing is to push these 2 tabs in. And we're going to remove the guide from the housing. All right, so we got here an assembly of 2 parts. We have a guide and we have this top cover. So I'm going to push this middle hinge out, and we're going to bend this so we're going to release the hinges from the sides. I'm going to do this side without the spring because it's shorter. So memorize how the spring is installed. This bent side is pushing against this part, and the long side is right there in the groove. I'm going to take it out. Don't lose the spring. Let's move the guide out of the way. And I'm going to bring this duct cover. We're going to lift up the cover and slide off the spring. Put it aside. This is the old lint filter duct cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we got here a new duct cover. And we're going to install the spring here. Sliding it on a longer hinge here. If you compare the hinges, the one on this side has a groove here, so it's longer. And that's where the spring goes. Just like that. And now we're going to install the lint filter duct cover onto the guide. So this side with the spring goes on this on the side with the groove here. Slide it in. And make sure that the spring is in the groove. Then we're going to slightly bend this and put the other end into the opening, and then the central hinge locks over on this pole here. Okay, this is our lint screen housing, and I'm going to place it this way, and we're going to install this on the top of it. Press it in and lock these sides. Before installing it into the dryer, make sure that this cover works. Now we can go and install it into the dryer. Right, we have here the assembly that is going to be inserted into the cutout, but first I'm going to put on the sensor bar in. It slides in, and then we're going to put this whole assembly down. And now we're going to secure it with 4 Phillips screws. Okay, we've done inside. All right, now we're going to install the lint filter. It goes in this way. If you can see this writing, and then it goes in correct way. Press it in. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.